Hi, my name is Leah Jones, and I am a first-year health sciences major from Maryland. Our semester-long research project was on the migration pattern of birds of prey in southern Texas. In the study of biology, it is often talked about how living organisms have different processes and means of survival. Migration is included in those topics because it is the way a lot of birds maintain survival during different seasons. Migration is the movement of birds from one place to another. About 4 billion birds per year tend to migrate for better conditions. Migration of birds in North America tends to occur in the fall season. Our research focuses on the migration of different species of hawks from August 2020 to November 2020. Our specific research question was, how does the migration pattern of hawks vary in Texas from August 2020 to November 2020? We predicted that the month of October will have the highest count based on the fact that there were more species present during this month. The main objective of this research project was to find when migration was the highest and what caused it.
Methodologies. We chose Smith Point, Texas to collect our data using the website hawkcount.com. The months observed were September through November 2020. We collected data such as temperature, wind, time, and precipitation from specific dates. Our main focuses were the amount of birds observed daily. We compiled our data into Microsoft Excel and other platforms in order to analyze data and create tables based off of our research. Bulleted results. Given the data collected, migration was highest in September, while October had the highest richness. It falls short to September for the highest number of migrants. This ultimately disproves our hypothesis that migration will be highest in October. We found that there was little precipitation during the fall months, so this could not have been a factor in what influenced migration.
For the results, we added charts that support our research. For Figure 1, we did a month comparison of species abundance for fall 2020 at Smith Point. 20 species were present during the fall, and the most observed species was the broad-winged hawk and Mississippi kite. For Figure 2 below, we did a diversity metrics for migrating birds of prey species at Smith Point. September presented the highest number of abundance at 49,876, whereas October had the highest richness number at 20. August data was not available due to few bird observances. For Figure 3 above, we did a species abundance per month at fall 2020 at Smith Point. While the month of October had the second highest abundance of birds at 14,928, it has the highest richness at 20. September also reported the highest abundance, but second highest richness at 16. November had the lowest abundance at 1,455 and richness at 15. For Figure 4 to the left, we did a presence and absence table. The data presented in the chart shows that September has the highest abundance of the given species. All months, excluding August, have the same richness.
Discussion. From our study, we can conclude that our hypothesis was disproved as hawk migration at Smith Point was highest in September as seen in Figure 3. Weather and patterns also had little effect on the hawk's flight through the area, but cloud coverage may have influenced the number of hawks present. We found that since other species had not yet migrated at the same time, there may be other factors that weren't listed. At Smith Point, the most commonly observed species were the broad-winged hawk and the Mississippi kite. Acknowledgements. The research would not be possible without Bob Baez at Smith Point Hawk Watch. We would also like to acknowledge Gulf Point Observatory for their management and bird watching locations across the South. And finally, we would like to thank Hampton University's Department of Biological Sciences and Dr. Dash for providing us with the opportunity and resources to complete this project.